Okay, we are at the altar and I just wanted to make a video because one part of the exercise of the retreat that I'm going to facilitate tomorrow is each participant is going to be given a flower. As you see, all these little vases with little flowers, and the flowers represent their soul, their psychic being. And Nika, who lives here at the Sadhana Peetham Ashram, she prepared all these beautiful flower arrangements so each participant can have one. Now I'm going to back up. This is an amazing altar. Look, Nika has taken care of all the floral arrangement here. Is this ever gorgeous? Look at this. It's beautiful. So there they are, all waiting to be part of the retreat tomorrow. And it's on the topic of surrender, mystery, the psychic being in karma yoga. Namaste. I'm going to get really close to them. Oh my gosh. They are just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. What a prayer. Every one of them. Oh wow. Look at this. Look. Oh, this is just amazing. Oh, Nika, I wanna play a song for you. I wanna play some music for you. Can I play some music for you?
Music?
Yeah.
How about music? I can switch off.
To make your belly feel better.
So new. Music.
Uh-huh. There's an instrument here in the closet that I was playing earlier. Oh, these are just amazing. And